Today, we're tackling a common challenge in the world of business: rejection. Whether it's a rejected proposal, a lost deal, or a failed pitch, rejection is an inevitable part of the entrepreneurial journey. I'll show you today the three-step approach so you can inoculate yourself. But before I start, hi, my name is Hagop, and on this channel I make content about sales, lead generation, and how to run successful agency. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now, step number 1, analyze and learn. The first step on overcoming rejection in business is to analyze the situation and extract valuable lessons from it. Instead of dwelling on the disappointment, take a step back and objectively evaluate what went wrong. Ask yourself, what factors contributed to the rejection? What can I learn from this experience? By taking the time to analyze and learn from rejection, you turn setbacks into opportunities for growth and improvement. Remember, every rejection is a chance to refine your strategy and approach. Step number 2, reframe your mindset. Once you analyze the rejection, it's time to reframe your mindset. Instead of viewing rejection as a reflection of your worth or abilities, see it as a natural part of the business landscape. Understand that even most successful people in business face rejection on their path to success. By reframing your mindset, you empower yourself to bounce back stronger than ever before. Cultivate positive attitude, believe in your abilities, and remain persistent in pursuing your goals. Remember, resilience is the key to success in business. Step number 3, take strategic action. Now, the final step in overcoming rejection in business is to take strategic action. Use the insight gained from your analysis to refine your approach and adapt your strategies. Whether it's tweaking your product, adjusting your pitch, or targeting a new market, take proactive steps to move forward your business. Remember, success in business is not about avoiding rejection altogether, but how you respond to it. Stay focused on your goals, remain agile in your approach, and never lose sight of the value you bring to the table. And there you have it, the 3 essential steps to help you overcome rejection and thrive in your business. Remember, rejection is not a roadblock, but a stepping stone on the path to success. So analyze and learn, reframe your mindset, and take strategic action. You've got this.